Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1968 Camaro. I got the owner and builder here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. So how are we doing today?
Good.
What a beautiful car, bro.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 1968 Resto Mod Camaro. We tried to stick it the same way it was when it came from the factory. We did slight modifications to the body and to the interior just to dress it up a little bit. But it's basically just a clean, fully restored 68 Camaro.
Super clean. It's got some really nice body work. Some modifications that look fantastic. I think they should have came that way from the factory.
Yeah.
Let's start with the nose.
Well, we decided we didn't want to run a front bumper, so we filled the seams and welded the lower balances to the fenders. We took a 67 billet grill and put it in the grill opening. We moved the parking lights down to the lower valance to kind of clean everything up and make it uniform.
Looks really good.
Yeah, no emblems except for the one on the cow panel there.
Good. So the corner emblem right here is removed.
Yep.
All this has been smoothed down, blocked. Bumper's been removed. Gives it a really nice contemporary look.
Yeah, cleans it up a lot.
Yeah.
The bumpers don't do much anyway, so
I know.
Looks better without them.
I like it's debadged on the corner here as well. Beautiful lines.
Were properly filled. Everything was welded closed the way it should be.
Staggered wheels.
Correct.
Mirror finish. Painted stripes.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes, Glazary clear. It's all top of the line paint products. Everything on this was no expense spared on it.
I could tell. You definitely built it for yourself.
Yeah.
Under the hood we got the numbers matching 327. And this car is done. None nicer. Beautifully color sanded.
So it's got the original 2-speed power glide in it as well.
Cool.
And it's geared with these tires properly so that it's fun to drive. It has plenty of power low end, and you can also do 80 on the LIE on the expressway anytime you want.
Great.
And it goes.
Let's check out the motor.
Sure.
Nice big aluminum radiator. Aluminum heads? Or steel heads?
Steel heads.
Okay. Nicely painted, power steering, power disc brakes all the way around.
So we painted the firewall, all re-seam sealed, painted the inner wheel wells, same color as the body.
Stainless steel headers, Performer Highrise Manifold. What is that, a 650 under there?
Yes.
650 single pumper. Very nicely done. Nice cam, right?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, the numbers matching 327, but it's worked up to a 350.
So it's poured over a little bit.
Very mild, streetable, drivable, enjoyable.
Killer.
Yep, gives you great sound out of it, but still usable and easy on the pocket when you get gas.
Cool. And the bottom is just as nice as the top, guys. Fantastic. I'm trying to get under here. You could see more photos on the website, but just wanted to give you a peek under here. It's absolutely awesome. Interior is nicely done too. A little mix of 70s Camaro in here with the horseshoe shifter. This car is new. Right down to the gaskets on the doors, the felts in the windows.
We even degreased the window regulators, re-greased them, got all the dirt and grime off of them so they work properly, seal properly.
Alcantara headliner, suede inserts on the seat. I like the contrasting red stitching. Everything's new in here. Showing 52,336 miles. How many miles do you have on the build?
There's probably about 200 miles on it since it was built.
Wow. Got like the red stitch in the dash too. Custom Alpine stereo, full gauges. Even got a cup holder. Everyone forgets the cup holder.
Yep. Gotta drink your coffee when you go to the car show.
Right? Everyone, you keep it on your lap, it spills all over the place. Let's fire this beast up. sounds good. You hear the electric fan kicking on? Beautiful, bro. Gorgeous. Nicely done. Can't tell you how many of these cars I've seen just, you know, they're restored but shortcutted.
Oh, everywhere. We get them in our shop every day.
Wow. You know you're buying the right car when you're buying the builder's car.
Correct.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You could also check out more pictures, detail information on our main website, webeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. And thanks again for showing us your car.
Absolutely, anytime.